Hi guys, today I want to show you how to install a micro USB power adapter for your wireless chronograph from FX Airguns. So first of all, you need to take off the factory battery backplate. Don't lose your screw here. So there's 3 AAA batteries originally, and we're gonna replace it by this adapter here. So it's very important to put in the battery exactly like this. You see I got a blue sticker here and a red sticker here, and at the bottom you got the power button. So that it's reminding me that what's really important is this connector. It's going to the negative of your chronograph, and this connector is going to the positive. All the other connectors, they're just there to connecting 3 batteries in series, but we don't need 3 batteries now, so we only care about those 2 connectors. So remember this, the one at the bottom left close to the power button, that's your negative, and on the complete opposite side, that's your positive. So you start by putting those dummy batteries. That's my negative pole, right? And that's your negative here. So putting the battery like this. Only the wire, it's only going to this terminal here, so you need to put it exactly like this. And we need to connect the positive wire to the positive battery connector here. So you just put it in like this, and you're done. So now the micro USB power is connected to your chronograph. Now just put your cover back on. Be careful not to pinch the wires, and put on the screw. There we go, and you're done. So we'll try that. That's just a standard 10,000 milliamp hour USB power bank. It's powered up and connected. Try the power on. There we go. You may notice that the power bank may shut down after a while if you don't connect the FX radar to a phone. That's because the FX radar doesn't draw a lot of power when it's not connected to a phone. So there we go. So my power bank just shut off, and you see the light goes out. So the solution to this is to connect to your phone before the power bank shuts down. So it's powered back on. Powered back on. Now if I try to connect to a phone, the power bank will not shut down because the power draw is much bigger than this standby state. All right, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.